Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorials. In this episode we'll see how to set up a course and a trip. So let's start with the course. I need to go to activity and click on new course. Here you will see all the courses that you've entered in your price list. So in this case I will select an open water course. So the start date will be today, and he started at 8 a.m. and the end date I will calculate more or less 4 days, and I will set the end time very late. This is a good practice, especially for advanced courses, rescue courses, especially if you want to do the night dive. It's important that you extend the times this way. So now I have a PADI open water course. The dates, I can do the next step. Next step will be to select the current customers. As you can see here, I don't see all my customers, but I only see my current ones. So I need to select Jon Snow, and Jon Snow will be the first one with the green line on top. Now I need to select the staff, and here I only see my current staff members in this location. So Jon Snow will do his course with Cersei, and Cersei will be the first one with the green line on top. Now the course is ready. You can see that this is the customer here and this is the staff member here. I can save it, and the system will take me to the activities page. So here I am in the all activities page. As you can see here, it's an ongoing activity. It started today in the morning and it will finish in around 3.5 days. I can always open this course and I will go back to exactly my selection, so Jon Snow and the staff member. Or if I go back to all activities, I can decide to delete the course if it never happened, or I can close the course once the course is over. I can show you that Jon Snow has the course automatically written in his bill. To do so, I can go to Financial and Open Bills, and you see that Jon Snow has a brand new bill created today. We can go inside and we can see that there's the course and the pick. In this case, the price list related to this course consists of the course, which is 300 euros, plus the pick, which is 100 euros. You can set up your price list however you like. Now we can go back to activities, all activities, and here you will see what's going on right now in your dive center and all the activities that you plan for the future. I can click on new trip. A trip in Geek Divers is any kind of outing with your customers. So if you don't do diving from a boat, you can use the no transport field here, so it's a shore dive. Here you need to select the dive sites, so I just select a couple of dive sites randomly. And the dates, so automatically Geek Divers will set the date of tomorrow. Clearly it's up to you to define what date and what time. Next step will be to select the groups, but first of all I need to select which boat. The groups, these are the groups that you set up in your boat. So for example, here you will see your price list items. So I can start with the fun diving group. I can select this item here, and then I can select the current customers that are going diving with this price list. So for example, I will select Ygritte and Jason Bourne. You see that as soon as I select them, they will go to the right hand side. Now I need to select the staff members, and they will go with Tatiana, and Tatiana will be put on the right hand side. Now I need to click on button add update, and I will see that on the boat, which was capacity 26, now has availability for 23 more people, and one group is on the boat with 2 customers and 1 staff member. Now I can proceed searching for the open water course. So I will type open water, and I will see that this is the open water course that I selected. Here the system will say, wait a minute, there's already an open water course in the system. Do you mean that you want to select the one that you've already created? Actually, yes, that's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to select the course with Jon Snow. I click here and automatically Jon Snow is available. I will click on OK, and automatically Geek Divers will create a new group with Jon Snow and his instructor. I can go on creating as many groups as I like, providing that I still have availability on the boat, and when I'm done I just scroll down and save the trip. Now if I go to all activities, I will see that I have an upcoming trip. You see that it's dark blue, so this is a trip. And if I scroll down, I still have my course with Jon Snow, and this is in light blue. Now let's go and check again Jon Snow's bill. So financial, open bills. First of all, you see that there are more bills now. If I click on Jon Snow, I will see that it's still just the open water course, because he's doing the course, he's gonna be on the boat, he's not gonna be charged for the boat trip, but just for the course. If I go and check the other bills, on the other side, for example, I take Ygritte. Ygritte will be charged for the 2 tank dive trip, including tanks. And this is automatically created for you in Geek Divers. Thank you for watching.